if you're wondering what the poor man's budget 4x4 series is going to be, I'm pretty much going to try and get cheap-ish parts, not cheap parts, like not eBay parts, and we're going to see how much it costs to get like a lifted, some decent tires, decent looking wheels from the stock Steelies, and make it look good, pretty much. Once I've got all of it done, we're going to try and go out to the tracks, like cockpit or whatever. I'm not really cockpit, but I'm going to go with Adam Reed from Livin 4x4. We're going to go test out some tracks in the car, not some super gnarly ones, but you know, we'll see how the car copes. And yeah, I'm just here to have fun. You guys are here to stay along with the ride, so if you are new and you're in the 4x4 scene, click subscribe, like, leave a comment on what you think I should do to the car. I do want to wrap the car, so definitely tell me what color I should do. I don't want to go black, and I do not like the color of this car at the moment. It's faded, it's disgusting, and I do not like it. If you are wondering, the car is a 2006 Hilux SR5. It goes pretty good, it's nice. I definitely want to do get a manifold cleaning on it and stuff, because it's got over 300,000 Ks on it, and it's definitely never been cleaned, so there'll be a lot of soot in there. It goes good. It tows my 180SX, my drift car. You know, it does all the things I need it to do. There's one thing that's annoying about having a not a hard lid or a tray, is I can't have toolboxes, or like two toolboxes, so all my tools stay in here and they just slide around and annoy the hell out of me. So I do want to get a fridge in the back, get some toolboxes in the back, and make it looking like a really sick rig. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to episode 1 of the poor man's 4x4 Hilux build. And today, while I'm waiting for tires and a lift kit and a bunch of other stuff, exhaust, snorkel and all that stuff, we're just going to start off with episode 1, and we're going to start restoring these nugget headlights. If you can see on camera, there was a sticker here, and that's how clear they were. Look how yellow that is, it's disgusting. This one's even worse. You might not be able to tell as much in camera, but look at that, so foggy. And see there, you can see in the light, that's where another sticker was. It's disgusting. So today I'm going to restore them, and I want to show you something on the interior as well. It's disgusting. Look how gross and dirty they are. They're actually starting to rip there, but I do want to give them a bit of a wet vac at some stage. This one's not so bad, but it's still disgusting. So I'm going to try and give it a wet vac. It is ripped, obviously, as you saw just then. So a better option could be to just buy like an updated seat from the newer model. I'll see how they clean up. Can you just imagine how many sweaty, disgusting farts have been left in this though? Ugh. Anyways, let's get back to the lights. Also, if you're wondering, I am going to be using some Rain X headlight restoration. Comes with a few pads, some lubricant, blah blah blah. Should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to work on this one, see how it goes, and give you guys an update. Alright, that is straight after step 1. It's taken some of the yellow off. Look at the other side. That's not done at all. Yeah, let's get step 2. Alright guys, it's actually turned out pretty well. That's probably as good as I'm going to get it. It's definitely going to give me better vision on the road compared to this side. I'm going to go continue and do this side. I won't show you guys any of that because I don't really need to, but it's 100 times better. Like, I do want to get different lights for this, like some aftermarket lights, but for now, definitely gives it a bit of a better look. But yeah, the silver insides and all that stuff is going to have to change for what the look we want for on this actual Hilux to be. So definitely stay tuned for that. Just before I do this side, look at the difference. So hazy, so clear. That's awesome, guys. Let's get it. And bam! Guys, it turned out pretty well. I still need to wipe it off a little bit with a bit of tea towel. I wiped it with a wet rag and it's left a few marks there and on the actual headlight as well. But I am pretty stoked with that. I should get a bit more time out of those headlights before I get some aftermarket ones. Coming around to the back, I already have aftermarket tail lights, but I need to fix the brakes because at the moment only this is working. This has brand new globes in it and it's not working and I have no idea why. It's probably a wire in this stupid car somewhere that doesn't work. But yeah, they're aftermarket tail lights, and pretty sure the tub is even off like a 2007 Hilux, not even a 2006, because the tub before this was broken and backed into like 100 times. So yeah, we had to get a new tub for it. Anyways, I need to get a hard top as well for this because it sucks. This tonneau cover is like ripped over there. All these are just destroyed, and the thing that holds it up has popped a rivet. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.